What's the meaning of acacia? Acacia. 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 Acacia is a genus of shrubs and trees in the subfamily Mimosoideae of the pea family Fabaceae. There are over 1,300 species, most of which are native to Africa and Australia. Acacia trees are known for their distinctive thorns, which they use for protection from herbivores. They also have small, yellow or white flowers that are pollinated by bees and other insects. Acacia trees are an important source of food and shelter for many animals. And they also produce a variety of useful products, such as gum arabic, which is used in a variety of industries. Here are some of the most common uses of acacia trees. Food. Acacia trees produce a variety of edible pods and seeds. The pods are often eaten by humans and animals, and the seeds can be ground into flour. Shelter. Acacia trees provide shade and shelter for many animals, including livestock, birds, and insects. Medicine. Acacia trees have been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments, including fever, diarrhea, and constipation. Industry. Acacia trees produce a variety of useful products, such as gum arabic, which is used in a variety of industries, including food, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals.